So at this question here, we are being told that the length of a width of a rectangle of a room is 10 meters and 7 meters respectively. A rectangular carpet of area 28 meters square is placed on a floor. This is now the room and we have the carpet. So the carpet we are given is 7 meters. Then the length here is 28, that is 10 meters. Then we are being told that it leaves a uniform space of x. So from here up to is x, from here up to is x, from here x, a uniform space x. So width of each walls of the room. Form a quadratic equation in x and hence solve x. So at this point here, what we're going to do first of all, it is for us to form the quadratic equation. We know so well that this and this one, that is 2x. That is now 7 minus 2x. Then another one from here up to here, that is 10 minus 2x. So when you multiply the length from here up to here, it is now 10 minus 2x. Then this another side there, that is 7 minus 2x. So at this point here, what we are going to do is for us to find the quadratic equation. We multiply this one times this one is equal to 28 meter square. So this one times this one I will get, I multiply to form the quadratic equation. 7 into 10 minus 2x minus 2x into 10 minus 2x equals to 28. So 7, this is 70 minus 14x minus 20x plus 4x equals to 28. Let us correct the like terms. So the like terms of this point here, it will be 70 minus 14 minus 20, that is minus 34, x plus 4x equals to 28. So let me arrange it. X squared minus 34x plus 70 equals to 28. Now I take this 28 here to this side. Now it will be 4x squared minus 34x plus 70 minus 28 equals to 0. So this is 4x squared minus that 4x plus 70 minus 28, we are going to have 42 equals to 0. So at this point here we have the common factor. The common factor is 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 goes here, 2x squared minus 2 goes here, 17x plus 2 goes here. Now 2 goes to 42 how many times? That is 21. 21 equals to 0. So I have formed the quadratic equation. This is now quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, I need to solve it. Let me solve that quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, whereby the quadratic formula states that x equals to minus b plus or minus into the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now at this point here, using this quadratic equation, now it is going to be x equals to minus b, that's minus 17 plus or minus the square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times A it was 2 times C, that is 21 over 2 times 2, which is going to be negative and negative, that's positive 17 plus or minus the square root of, that is the square root of negative 17 squared. We get it is 289 minus 4 times 2 times 21. We get it is 168 over 4. So at this point here it is going to be 17 minus plus square root of 121 over 4. So this point here it is going to be x equals to 17 plus or minus 11 over 4. So this is the same as 17 over 4 plus or minus 11 over 4, whereby now it will be 17 over 4 is 4.25 plus or minus 2.75. So let us start with the addition. So x equals to 4.25 plus 2.75, that is 7. Then or 4.25 minus 2.75, that is 1.5. So the x needed here, x is equal to 7 or 1.5. Any answer you give is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share and like.